Hi, I'm Gia Nicolaides. Here's everything you need to know this morning about the coronavirus. It's day 105 of the national lockdown, and as of this morning, Gauteng has the highest number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in the country, overtaking the Western Cape as the epicenter. Gauteng has more than 53,000 active cases. That means people that currently still have the virus, and 3,000 of these patients are currently recovering in hospital. The total number of cases in the country now stands at over 224,000. 100 more COVID-19 related deaths have been reported, pushing the death toll to 3,602, and the recovery rate is at 47.5%. Health Minister Willem Kize says the COVID-19 storm that he's been warning South Africans about has finally arrived. He's warned that bed capacity in the private and public sectors is expected to be breached in the next 4 weeks. In response, the Health Department has developed and is implementing what it calls a surge strategy in anticipation of the peak. This will ensure the department increases bed capacity for COVID-19 and continue to deliver other health services. Meanwhile, Western Cape Premier Alan Winde has tested positive for COVID-19 and will be self-isolating at home. He started developing flu-like symptoms on Sunday and went for a test on Monday because he's a type 2 diabetic and over the age of 55. Northwest Premier Job Mogoro says doctors have recommended that he stays at a Joburg hospital for monitoring after he tested positive for the virus. He received his test results on Tuesday, a day after one of his cabinet members died from the virus. And ANC spokesperson in KwaZulu-Natal, Richard Tembu, died yesterday after contracting the virus. Higher Education Minister Nzimande has again appealed to students who are not required to return to campuses to stay home. Nzimande said universities could only allow 33% of final year students on campus under level 3 lockdown. Taking a look at some of the major developments abroad, more than 3 million people in the United States have now tested positive for the virus. The US remains by far the worst affected country, with over 132,000 deaths, while Brazil, whose virus skeptic President Jair Bolsonaro has tested positive for the disease, is a distant second with close to 67,000 deaths. In Brazil, the Press Association has said it will file a lawsuit against Bolsonaro over possibly exposing members of the media to COVID-19 after he allegedly took off his mask at this week's televised press conference where he announced that he had the coronavirus. For more on the pandemic, go to ewn.co.za/coronavirus and remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.